Have you been looking for country, yearning for a property with no neighbors, maybe considering a small hobby farm with not a ton of acreage? Then do I have the property for you. Sitting on 2 acres, we are here at 14468 Talbot Trail Line. Hi, I'm Jackie Patterson with Excel Realty, Golden Acres Real Estate Group, and come check this one out. You're not going to be disappointed.
Nobody knows.